Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Right now, I'm in Gold Rock in Hotel in Bambang. Today, 24/11/2025. Last night, I stayed over here. It was a beautiful place. I highly recommend for everyone. Today, my plan is I'm going to visit 3 or 4 waterfalls according to my time limit. The place I'm going to visit today, Mapalyao Falls, Derek Maman Falls, then Bansing Falls. These all three falls nearby 30-kilometer radius. Probably I can visit everything in 3 to 4 hours time. The climate today is very cloudy. I cannot promise anything. Still, I tried to power through. This is the room I stayed in. This is the only studio room available. It's cost 1,400 pesos per day. Look at it. You have a nice balcony view. At the same time, look at the place. I messed up, but it was fantastic when I come over here. And the ceiling is good. I hear all the condiments. You have a coffee maker, a hot water maker, then water you have. Apart from that, your TV, everything available. Grill hub on the opposite side. You can buy things over there. Look at the bathroom. It was very nice. You have a hot shower. That is very, very important. Seriously. Clean toiletries, and you have a soap and body shampoo. Everything is available over here. It's quite nice. Seriously, it is a center of the town. The public market literally is just right there. Around 50 meters, you have a McDonald's over there. Couple of banks nearby. So no need to worry about the night food. Everything is available and very safe also. The parking lot, you have to go below down there. This is the front area. Reception just below down there. Let's check out. Wi-Fi is not bad. In other rooms, the Wi-Fi is better, but in my room, little bit have problem over there. Hello, checking out. So you can check. I'll wait for you. No worries. So we need to wait for 5 minutes. Let them go and check out. Look at the couch. Fantastic. Wow, very soft. So everything is clear. I'm good to go. Okay, thank you. It's a nice place, very safe. Thank you for everything. Okay. If you come out, you can go out like this, but my bike is under parking lot, under the ground. Let's go further. Alright. Yeah, checking out. Meter. Supposed to be right here. I'll go there. It's the D4. So much of traffic. Hello. Hello po. Hello po. How to go to the waterfalls?
That one location.
There? There. So you need to go there first?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for your help. Thank you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The muddy road, you cannot keep your balance. Seriously. It will twist you. I can see the water was so clear. Either way, I don't know I can swim over there or not. Early morning. I already have a bath in the hotel already. Alright, I'll go this side. To the falls, I guess so, because two roads going on. I'll take this road. Hello po for the falls. Falls. This side. Thank you. Lucky. They put that. We have hanging bridge. Nobody. So as you can see, this is Mapalyao Falls. Let's see how it goes. I couldn't see there is not much big falls, but you have a old hanging bridge over there. Let's check it out. Wow, steady. Seriously steady. Wow, now it's getting wobbly. Whoa. It's a beautiful location. Water a little bit cloudy, but not bad. Look at this. There's a walking path there. Let's go and check it out. There's two ways going. One is down, one is going up. Let's go down. Oh. You gotta be careful. Very long time nobody came here. Looks like that. Haven't maintained. But last time people used to come over here. But now nobody. Wow. And that, wow. Look at that. Beautiful. A beautiful place. Ah. This is look like a exploring waterfalls. Seriously. Look at that. Wow! I didn't expect that. Seriously. Huh? How beautiful it is. What? Come over here. Look. We cannot cross through. Right now there's a water there. Very hard to cross through. It's much better sitting down there, take a drone shot. For this, we drive in the morning. Absolutely worth it. I highly recommend for everyone. Seriously. From there, you cannot feel the waterfall. You need to cross the bridge and come over here. You will get the texture. It's a beautiful place. I highly recommend for everyone. Don't stop there. You got to come here the way I come over here. So you can enjoy the beautiful waterfalls. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. I was genuinely surprised. I didn't thought today morning I'm going to witness the beautiful of this waterfalls. I really underestimated. Look how beautiful it is. Fantastic. I highly recommend for everyone. But the only thing is, since the water is too much, you cannot take a bath. Either way, I had to go another 2 more waterfalls. If I take a bath, I'm going to be wet already. So I don't want to take a bath. At the same time, look, too much current right now. From that area, there is no view. You need to walk through here. If you walk through, you can enjoy the beauty like that. Otherwise, tough. So please don't stay there. Just cross the hanging bridge and walk over here. I know a little bit tough, but the view is worth it. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Thank you. Look at that. Wow. Seriously. Beautiful. Wow. From there, you cannot see anything. You have to walk through like this. Looks slippery, but you have to be careful. Slight adventure, but it's 100% worth it. Seriously, it is 100% worth it. If I'm me, I would have built a bridge over there so we can go like this. But anyway, hanging bridge is a bonus. And one more thing, there is no entrance fee. Look at that. There is no entrance fee. Right now, the time is 9:36. Wow. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Hope you guys have got the same feeling what I got it. Seriously, I highly recommend it. So mission 1 complete. Go for the second waterfalls. Derek Maman Falls. I cannot wait to see the second surprise. Let's see how it goes. I highly recommend it. So don't miss it.